Hi, and welcome to another episode of Type with Me. In this week's episode, I want to run an Angular application with Bun. So last week we went to this website, bun.sh, and we created two files that could do something with Bun, right? We did a hello world, write something to the console, but in this week I want to test out if Angular works with Bun. So one of the things that you could do then is just do this. You can do bun install and then globally install the CLI of Angular, right? So we do that. And then we can do ng new type with bun. Would you like to add Angular routing? Well, we're going for a very easy application, so we say no. We're going to use SAS. We're going to create application. It's going to install. It shows npm, so that's a little bit weird, but maybe under the hood it's now just using npm, or it's just console log of Angular itself. I don't know. Right, here we are. So now I can go to type with bun, right? We can do bun install maybe. Now bun is doing some magic. Right, here we go. Now we could do bun run start, right? Say no. Here we go. Very fast in my opinion. So that's very cool, right? I'm just going to check here. And now that's the cache. Go to source, application, and then just going to do something like this. Diff type with bun. So we can just adapt this. Again, very easy. See that it's very fastly refreshes your application. So I think it's cool. It's nice to have this. And I think also for testing, it would be a good one to use it. It will be running much faster than Yarn and npm. And I think if you are just on Yarn, you can very easily just change it and use bun. Of course, you see here that it has bun.logb, which is the same like your Yarn log file, right? So if you see here, can do then open anyway. No idea. It's a very strange format, right? But again, and then you see here log B, so I think it's binary for bun. Bun understands it, so that's nice. I don't understand it. It's okay. So yeah, very cool. I could then maybe here also do constructor console log hello world. Just going to save that. And of course, we can just go to the browser and see what's going on there, right? Now open the browser, we have type with bun. So you can very easily create your Angular application, then run it within bun. Say it's faster than npm and yarn, and when I tested this out, I am sure that it is. So cool productivity boost for your project. I could recommend to use it when you are going to write an Angular application. So thank you very much. See you next time.